When you gaze out at the vast, deep ocean, what do you imagine lurking in its dark, mysterious depths? We often think of darkness, crushing pressure, and creatures that seem to have sprung straight from a fantasy novel. Among the most incredible inhabitants of this hidden world are squids, masters of stealth, speed, and survival. While some are tiny enough to fit in the palm of your hand, others grow to such immense sizes that they blur the line between science and legend. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the 10 largest squids on Earth, each with its own astonishing story. So, grab your gear and let's plunge into the abyss. At the very top of our list, holding the title of undisputed heavyweight champion of the squid world, is the colossal squid, found lurking in the frigid, icy waters of the Southern Ocean, especially around Antarctica. This is the largest invertebrate on the planet. Can you even picture it? A creature that can grow up to a staggering 14 meters, or 46 feet, in length, and weigh as much as 500 kilograms, that's over 1,100 pounds. But its size isn't the only thing that makes it terrifying. Unlike other squids, the colossal squid has sharp, rotating hooks on its tentacles, making it an incredibly fearsome predator. And its eyes? They are the largest in the entire animal kingdom, about the size of a dinner plate, allowing it to see even the faintest glimmer of light in the pitch-black deep. Next up is perhaps the most legendary squid of all, the one that fueled myths of sea monsters and the mighty kraken for centuries, the giant squid. For generations, sailors whispered tales of monstrous tentacles rising from the depths to drag entire ships down to a watery grave. While the reality isn't quite that dramatic, the giant squid is still breathtakingly impressive, reaching lengths of up to 13 meters, or 43 feet. It's found in deep oceans all over the world, but is so elusive that it's rarely seen alive, which only adds to its mystique. It was until 2012 that Japanese researchers finally captured the first video of a giant squid in its natural habitat, proving that those ancient legends were rooted in a very real and very large truth. Coming in at number 3 is a creature with a slightly misleading name, the Dana octopus squid. Don't let the name fool you. This is a true squid, not an octopus, and it's a giant of the deep sea. Growing up to 2.3 meters, or 7.5 feet, it holds the title of one of the largest bioluminescent animals in the world. Its arms are lined with special light-producing organs called photophores. It can flash these lights to stun its prey and confuse any predators that might be lurking nearby. Imagine being deep in the ocean, surrounded by total darkness, and suddenly witnessing an underwater fireworks display as this creature lights up the abyss with brilliant bursts of light. At number 4, we meet a squid with a fearsome reputation, the Humboldt squid, also known by its menacing nickname, the Red Devil. Found in the eastern Pacific Ocean, especially off the coasts of Peru and Mexico, these powerful squids can grow up to 2 meters, or 6.5 feet, and weigh up to 50 kilograms, or 110 pounds. They are notorious for their aggressive behavior, razor-sharp beaks, and highly coordinated hunting tactics. Fishermen often share chilling stories of massive swarms of Humboldt squids attacking in groups, their bodies flashing rapidly between red and white as a complex and intimidating form of communication. They truly are the wolves of the sea. Our 5th giant is the robust clubhook squid, native to the North Pacific. This formidable creature can reach lengths of up to 4 meters, or 13 feet. As its name strongly suggests, it's armed with powerful, sharp hooks at the ends of its tentacles, perfectly designed for snatching slippery fish and other prey in the deep, dark ocean. The robust clubhook squid is a powerful, fast, and incredibly important predator in its ecosystem, preying on deep-sea fish and even smaller squids. It's a true deep-sea hunter, built for power and efficiency in a world with no place to hide. Next, we have a squid that earns its place on this list not just for its size, but for its incredible and unique behavior, the Japanese flying squid. While it's smaller, reaching about 50 centimeters or 20 inches, it has an amazing ability. It can literally fly. When trying to escape predators, These squids launch themselves out of the water, gliding for several meters through the air like torpedoes. Imagine witnessing a whole school of them leaping from the waves, like a shower of silver arrows shooting across the surface. It's a breathtaking sight often seen by fishermen in the Pacific, and a brilliant evolutionary trick for survival. Closely related to our previous entry is the neon flying squid. This species can grow a bit larger, up to 1 meter or 3.3 feet, and is famous for its shimmering, colorful body. Found in the North Pacific, it gets its name from the flashes of light it can produce, making it look like a living neon sign. These squids travel in huge schools, migrating thousands of kilometers across the ocean each year. Their combined ability to swim powerfully and glide through the air makes them one of the most versatile and adaptable squids on the entire planet. At number 8, we have the European squid. This species is widespread, found all across the Mediterranean Sea and the eastern Atlantic Ocean. It grows up to about 60 centimeters or 24 inches. While it may not be as massive as its colossal cousins, it's extremely important to both marine ecosystems and to humans. The European squid is commonly fished for food and has been a staple of European cuisine for centuries. Its incredible agility, high speed, and master-level camouflage abilities make it a highly skilled and successful hunter in its coastal habitat. Our 9th contender is the longfin inshore squid, native to the western Atlantic, from Canada all the way down to Venezuela. This squid grows to about 50 centimeters or 20 inches, but its importance isn't measured in size. This species is a hero in the world of scientific research. It played a pivotal role in the field of neuroscience because its giant axons, the long fibers of its nerve cells, were large enough for scientists to study. This allowed them to understand for the first time how nerves actually transmit signals. So, in a way, we have this humble squid to thank for much of what we know about how our own brains work. Finally, at number 10, we encounter the mesmerizing glass squid. This isn't just one species, but a whole family of squids known for their stunning, transparent bodies. Growing up to a meter, or about 3 feet in length, they float gracefully in the mid-ocean depths, almost completely invisible to predators. Their see-through skin, often combined with bioluminescent organs, makes them look like glowing ghosts drifting silently through the eternal darkness of the open ocean. They are truly one of the most ethereal and beautiful creatures you could ever hope to see. So there you have it, from the monstrous colossal squid lurking in the Antarctic depths to the shimmering neon flying squids soaring across the Pacific. These 10 species are a powerful reminder of how little we truly know about our own planet's oceans. Some inspire fear, others inspire awe, but all of them are absolutely crucial to the delicate balance of marine life. The deep sea remains Earth's final frontier, and within its mysterious realm, squids reign as powerful, intelligent, and sometimes terrifying rulers of the dark. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep sea adventure. If you found these creatures as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next dive into the unknown. See you next time.